BROWZ is your complete supply chain qualification and management solution, and the right fit for when you need a solution configured to your unique needs. Organizations are being faced with an increasing number of requirements, including regulatory mandates, internal standards, and social expectations, such as sustainability and corporate social responsibility. BROWZ products address your supplier qualification and management needs related to qualifying contractors, identifying risk within your supply chain, managing employee-level data, conducting safety audits, and sourcing new suppliers. SureQualify is the center of our supply chain solution. It enables you to identify and correct risk within your supply chain in key areas such as insurance, environmental health and safety, corporate social responsibility, financial stability, and much more. BROWZ partners with you to configure SureQualify using best practices and your standards to qualify suppliers based on the level of risk they present. BROWZ never takes a one-size-fits-all approach. We avoid asking for too little information from high-risk suppliers and burdening small suppliers with unreasonable requests. Suppliers join BROWZ, complete online assessments, and submit supporting documentation. As your partner, we validate this information to verify accuracy, compliance, and completeness. Our standard process includes 4 levels of assessment: document validity, regulatory compliance, public and private database validation, and conformance with your standards. The results are made available to you and your supply chain using intuitive icons to indicate which suppliers meet your standards. We will continually monitor your data and inform you and your supply chain about any upcoming data expirations. With Sure Workforce, you can take qualification one step further. As a complement to SureQualify, you can manage qualifications down to the employee level of your supply chain. This allows you to qualify the employees working for your suppliers and manage information such as trainings, certifications, licenses, background checks, drug and alcohol testing, and much more. Effective dates and expirations are recorded and monitored so you can allow access to only qualified personnel. You can also provide training over the web, such as site induction, and then test for knowledge and understanding. Sure Workforce also allows you to track the time and attendance of your supply chain, so you know who's on site for safety purposes or confirm a supplier's billable hours. When greater levels of risk are anticipated, you can assess leading safety indicators with Sure Audit. This gives you insight into the trends and safety culture of a supplier. BROWZ employs qualified professionals to audit safety programs for compliance with regulatory standards based on the work your suppliers perform. Going one step further, BROWZ professionals will meet with your suppliers and audit their safety management systems to identify deficiencies that often go unnoticed. These audits are true leading indicators of a supplier's ability to work safely for you. Finally, as an add-on to SureQualify, ReadySource simplifies the onboarding process. Do you receive a flood of requests from companies interested in working for you? Sorting through solicitations and reviewing initial demographic information, such as diversity requirements, can be time-consuming. BROWZ will create an online portal where suppliers submit information about their business so you can evaluate them prior to awarding work and expedite the sourcing process. The results of all BROWZ products are available to you in our patented online technology. BROWZ is the right fit for companies interested in managing and qualifying the full spectrum of their supply chain. Because BROWZ configures a solution to your needs, you'll have assurance that you're working with the safest members of your supply chain.